How does family-based immigration work in the United States? In recent news, many families are seeking to understand the process of family-based immigration in the United States. With changing policies and updates, this topic is more relevant than ever. If you are a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, you may be curious about how you can bring your loved ones to join you. Let's break down the steps involved in this important process. Family-based immigration allows U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to sponsor family members for a green card. The journey begins with filing Form I-130. This form is essential as it establishes the relationship between the sponsor and the relative. It is submitted to the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS. As of fiscal year 2025, the average processing time for immediate relatives of U.S. citizens is about 14 months. After the petition is approved, the next step is visa availability. The time it takes for a visa to become available can vary widely. For example, family-sponsored applicants from countries like Mexico or the Philippines may face waits of 10 to 15 years. Once a visa is available, the relative can either apply for an adjustment of status if they are already in the United States, or go through consular processing if they are abroad. The final step involves an interview at a USCIS office or a U.S. embassy or consulate. If the application is approved, the green card is issued. For Latino families navigating this process, there are some practical tips to keep in mind. First, it is important to file petitions as early as possible to avoid delays. Secondly, ensure that all paperwork is complete and accurate. This can prevent additional delays in processing. Finally, monitoring the case status is crucial. USCIS offers online tools to help track the status of your petition. Family-based immigration can be a lengthy journey, but understanding the steps and requirements can help make it more manageable. Stay informed and proactive to ensure a smoother process for you and your loved ones.